What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. When I will post this video, it will be like next week, but today I bought this car and it's the new Toyota Tundra 2021. So please like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and let's get to this video. Wow, it's really hot. Okay, so you can see the storage. I never opened this before, so I don't know what's inside, but it can open by itself. So you can see I never actually opened this. There's some information right there, a quick charge kit, which is pretty good. It has all the connectors and things like that for the car, and that's pretty much that's a good space right there to organize your stuff. You have a big screen right there, which is probably the size of my hand. Yeah, it's probably the size of a iPhone 7, something like that. So you can see the emergency light is right there, the heating or cooling, things like that, or the feature like in a normal car, right? You have the same feature as a normal car right here. And I believe this is to heat the seats right there. That's the AC too. Press, oh no, wait, that's pass airbag. I never heard of this feature. I probably think it's like a, what you call it? Something to turn off the airbag. So you press map, right? And it will show you the map, the whole map. It will show you what direction you're pointing. Right now it's southeast. Probably to search where you want to go. And I never tried this before, but I believe this is just to search what place, destination and things like that, right? And recent, emergency, something like that, address and point. You have a lot of features right there, and you can measure how long the distance between places like that. You can zoom out, zoom in, and like this, and you can use your finger like this. The time is right here. Home, you just press home, which is right here, and you're at home, like a home screen. And there's the power volume. If you want to turn on the radio, I believe you click right there and it will turn on. See, that's the volume. And if you want to turn it off, you just press it here. And this wants to change track, like in the disc or in the radio, you can change it right there. So you can control, wait, let me show you. So you turn on this, you have the music right here. You can change the radio type, like 1 or 1.5. You can change it back with track and things like that, right? Phone, if you want to be in a phone. I never used that before in any car. And apps, you can open a lot of apps, not YouTube or things like that, but you can open apps. Audio, like settings, things like that, right? Menu, you can see projection, setup, info, app, phone, audio, destination, things like that, right? And home, you can see the USB port, 2.1A, more USB. What I like about this truck is that they have the TRD PRO, things like this. And I like the leather seat. It's like black, red leather, like sportiness, leather seat belt. A lot of good things right there. Like like a basic truck. And you have the same feature right there as other cars. A very good feature right there. So sorry for this share right there. If you have any idea what this thing is, please let me know in the comment, because I have no idea what this thing is, like, because I don't know. But you can see this, the very big leg room right there. There's big, and I suggest you buying something like staircase or something like that, right? So you can step right there and not damage the paint. You can lift this seat, even the other one, and probably you put it back like this. Good. And I like how they design the door, like, to open wide open. And yeah, the leg room. So look at this. Me as the biggest one in the whole family, like, look at this leg room. Like, I can fit in front and I can fit in the back. Like, look at this leg room. Like, that's very huge. I'm probably 6'1", I have no idea, but I'm probably the size of a basketball player, a average basketball player. So but you have a lot of leg room, like right here. You have everywhere a lot of leg room. Like, that's probably, I think that's the Crew Max. That's why. The bed is pretty short, but it doesn't matter. It's like a 5-foot bed, and pretty good feature right here. You have pretty basic leg room right there, good for the pedal and things like that. So you have all this option right there. I probably guess for the sunroof and things like that. You can see the control thing, which door is open, which is closed. Wow. And here's to start the engine. I mean, I don't know if I will start it, but yeah. Wow. Like, that's pretty good truck right there. So yeah, you have this basic as old car. There's lights and things like that. And this thing is to if your car is on, if your truck is like alive, and if you're like in the middle of the desert and you need help, you can just press the button right there, and it will call someone, and then you will say what do you need, police, something like that. So you have the emergency button right there. And that's a good feature. I never seen this in a car before. A car and truck, never seen this before. So yeah, it has all the radio, things like that. Very nice truck. And it's a button start engine, something like that. And yeah, that's very nice. That thing is very loud, but okay. So you can see that Toyota logo, right? So to turn on this car, you have to put the brake in and then press the button. So you can see the panel right there. Top speed 120 miles per hour, which is pretty not bad. I don't know why, but yeah. The battery, probably the limit how much battery it has. The gas is full, right? Here you can see the parking, how many miles. And we bought this like probably like less than 5 miles, and we had to drive it like 40-50 miles. So we bought it like 4 miles. Now it's in 50, but still new, right? It say the temperature of the outside, how hot is the engine. Oh wait, it's not this one, it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. No idea what's this. Probably the oil. This is the RPM, which has like 7,000. Pretty good. Like, I like it. Very nice. But that thing is very loud. Just imagine putting exhaust right there. It will be very nice. So I will turn this thing off. You can see 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive. You can change this option right there. I've never seen that before. But yeah, that's pretty much good. for a truck. And you can open this thing up, you can lift it, and you can sleep right there. Probably, I have no idea. I never slept in a car, just one time in a Toyota Camry. So to pull this thing down, there's like, yeah, you have to pull this, but I need some strength right there because I can't do it with one hand. But you just pull this and we'll go back right there, and it can probably resist you. Like, it's probably, it can carry heavy loads right there. Very nice, very simple and nice. Good. Oh yeah, the spare tires right here. Probably there's some screw right there, down there. So yeah, and you can see this. I believe this is the 18-inch. Yeah, the 18-inch wheels, rims. You can see the exhaust right there. Very nice in both ways, and I like it. Very nice. It's pretty nice for a truck. You can see the basic lights. And you can see this thing too if you want to tow something or something like that. I have no idea what this for some kind of connection. As you can see, there's some lights for the license plate. You have like everything here. The gas thing, you just open it right here and that's it. And V8, nothing else to say. I think I should open the hood. Yeah, I should. This is the what you call it, the pedal brake, something like that. How you open it? So you open it right here, okay? And it will go by itself. Like, I mean, it won't go by itself, but it will. That thing looks very heavy, but I believe you just lift this thing. Or there's something, yeah, there's some clip right there, and voila, you can see this. It's going by itself. I'll put the keys right there because I can't hold it a lot. You can see 5.7 liters V8. I guess that's it, but I will clean this because it came like that. But it's a V8 engine. The humongous battery right there. I have no idea, the control computer, something like that. I'm not good at cars, but I will try my best to explain things. The power steering, the washer fluid right there. What's that? Oh, the coolant things right there. I don't know which thing this is. I have no idea what kind of engine oil thing it is, but you can see it's a V8 engine, like one of the last V8 Tundras that they're going to make. Like in the 2022 model, they will make a Tundra but V6, and I don't think V6 will be good. Like, look at this. And I believe this is the sensor right there if you get close to a car. But look at this thing. Very aggressive. Like, just imagine all the mods we're going to do in this car. Like, whoa. Look at this. Like, we might lift this car. We might put a air horn. I mean, not air horn. Train horn. And that's pretty much it. I turned on the car. I did everything. I'm not going to rev it. But, well, that's how it is. And this is our car. And pretty much, I think I explained everything, I guess. Yeah, I explained all the basic thing. Remember, I just bought this car today. No idea. Only my parents know how this car works. So yeah, we will figure out. And yeah, hopefully I don't trip right now. Okay, so that's it for this video. How you turn this thing off. Oh, and I forgot one thing. You can control this truck with your phone. You can turn it on with your phone. You can put a lot of sensor with your phone and things like that. Very nice. I just love it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and thanks for watching.